Hey, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the 21 SPX. It's 2024 and it's also an outboard model. This boat is equipped with the V6 200 Mercury Outboard. The sun pad also has a lift up part, so if you were kind of hanging out at the docks or at a sandbar, you lift up this back sun pad, you have a ton of storage down there. As you walk in on the port side, you see you got a ton of seating, just a ton. You got that flipped seat right on the port side, kind of turning into a rear view lounger. Sierra does such a good job with the stitching of the seats. I mean, they really just pay attention to the detail. It's got the Simrad GPS chart plotter depth gauge. Bow area has a ton of room. Thanks for watching this quick video. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please feel free to reach out. Matt Roulette. Best way to reach me, 603-320-5524. Thanks again.